Exciting adventure where we explore the amazing world of shapes. Are you ready for a fun adventure into the world of shapes? Let's dive right in. First up, the circle. Circles are everywhere and they are so much fun to find. Can you think of anything that's shaped like a circle? Take a moment and look around you. That's right. A pizza is a perfect example of a circle. It's round and delicious. And what about a clock? Or even the wheels on your bicycle or car? They are all circles too. Circles are round and have no corners. Isn't that cool? They can spin, roll, and rotate in the most fascinating ways. Next, let's talk about the square. Squares are just as interesting as circles. Squares have four sides that are all the same length. Think about a chessboard or a window. They are perfect examples of squares. Look closely at the chessboard pieces and the window frame. They fit perfectly into the square shape. Fun fact, if you turn a square on its side, it becomes a diamond shape. Isn't that amazing? Now here comes the triangle. Triangles are everywhere too. Triangles have three sides and three corners. They can be found in so many places. Can you picture a slice of yummy cheese or a rooftop? Yep, those are triangles. They are strong and sturdy shapes. Triangles can look very different from each other. Some are tall and narrow, while others are short and wide. They can be tall, short, wide, or narrow. On to the rectangle. Rectangles are very useful shapes. Rectangles are quite similar to squares, but with two longer sides and two shorter sides. Think about a door or a book. They are everywhere. These are great examples of rectangles. Look at the bookshelf and the door. They fit the rectangle shape perfectly. Just like squares, if you tilt a rectangle, it still remains a rectangle. Isn't that interesting? Let's not forget the oval. Ovals are unique and fun shapes. Ovals look like stretched out circles. Picture an egg or a rugby ball. They are both oval shaped. Ovals are everywhere if you look closely. Ovals are fun because they can roll just like circles but in a funny way. Watch how they move differently. Finally, let's meet the star. Stars are magical shapes that light up the night sky. Stars have points and they shine brightly in the sky. They are beautiful and fascinating to look at. When you draw a star, it usually has 5 or more points. You can even find star shapes in cookies and decorations. Stars remind us of nighttime and twinkling skies. They are a symbol of wonder and dreams. Shapes are everywhere around us. They make our world interesting and fun. Look around your room and see how many shapes you can spot. It's like a treasure hunt. Maybe you see a round clock, a rectangular book, or a square cushion. Shapes are all around us, making our surroundings beautiful. Isn't it amazing how many shapes we can find in our everyday life? All right, little explorers, keep your eyes open and see what you can discover. Now you know about circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, ovals, and stars. Each shape has its own special characteristics. Keep an eye out for these shapes all around you and have fun discovering them. Shapes make our world more interesting and fun to explore. That's it for today's shape adventure. We hope you had a great time learning about shapes.